What if you want a small laptop to do some office work? Something to read your favorite books on? Something to doodle on? Something to play PC games on? Up till now, all of these devices were different, but now with the ROG Flow Z13, there will be one device for everything. Welcome back everyone to ASIN Know Your Product channel, and this is the ROG Flow Z13 Quick Look. The first thing you will notice about the Flow Z13 is the compact size. It is a tiny device for the amount of power it holds. It's an all-aluminum alloy CNC body which not only looks space-age but feels quite premium in the hand too. The built-in hinge is quite robust and supports all kind of angles, but the best bit is that you can lay it just right at the 170 degrees and it's perfect for sketching or illustration work. Oh, and you see this glass window? That's the actual motherboard what you see in the RGB light. It looks really cool. The bottom part of this ultra-powerful tablet features a magnetic pogo pin connector to which you can connect this premium-looking keyboard cover. It's made of an Alcantara material. Unlike some other detachable keyboards, this one offers 1.7mm key travel distance, and since this is an ROG product, it's RGB. The keyboard has two positions, flat and elevated. The touchpad is glass and very smooth. Coming to the display, there are two display options. One is the 4K 85% DCI-P 360Hz panel, and the second option is the Full HD 120Hz panel which offers 100% sRGB. Both display come with color calibration and with Pantone certification. Dolby Vision HDR and Adaptive Sync are also supported by both display options. In terms of performance, Z13 is in a class of its own. Even though it's a slim and portable device, it comes with up to an Intel Core i9 series of processor and up to NVIDIA 3050 Ti graphics, making this the most powerful Windows tablet device available today. All this performance is cooled down by the ROG Intelligent Cooling System. Check the card for more info on that and new vapor chamber cooler. You have air vents at the back which take in cool air and hot air comes out here at the top. On the left side of the device you get a Thunderbolt 4 port and an XG mobile port. On the right side there is a regular USB port with a volume rocker and power button which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The sound from the two speakers is quite loud and you also get Dolby Atmos support with the device. Now since this is a very tightly packed device, the RAM is not upgradable, but if you want to upgrade the storage, you can. Under the small panel at the back, you have a small SSD slot. You can also add a fast microSD card for storage. You also get two cameras, a 1MP camera up front for video calls and an 8MP camera at the rear. While the Flow Z13 is a really powerful ultra portable on its own, to unlock the full potential of the Flow Z13, you need the XG Mobile to enhance the graphic capabilities. Connect it to a TV or monitor and you have a desktop replacement in your hands, which combined is less than 2.5 kilograms. This year's new XG Mobile adds an AMD GPU to the mix in the form of a 6850M, which again is a very compact device. You still get plenty of ports and a single cable connection, which is still the most simple eGPU solution you will find in the market today. That is a lot of features for a small device. So guys, that was the ROG Flow Z13. It's not for everyone, but it does everything. So that's about it in this video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel and we will see you in the next one.